Hi wiring winners, Jay from Simtech. Okay, back to this lovely MK. Thank you very much to the customer. I haven't mentioned that on a couple of the other videos, but we are very appreciative that he's allowed us to video this and use it as our case study. So what I'll do this time is we'll talk about the alarm system. So once again, we've got our flip fob, our transponder bead and everything there, but we're only going to be using the flip fob. Now at the moment the car's just power on but ignition off, as though you just parked it up, and the LED's flashing for the immobiliser. The alarm isn't armed at this point. Now this might be a bit noisy because we can beep the horn, although things like horn, beeping, headlight flash and indicator flash are all selectable. So if I just stand back here, because you get a little bit of a shot of the dashboard, if I press the button, that's arm down here. Number 1 is disarm, number 2 is arm, so and the immobiliser's now the immobiliser was armed, but the alarm is now armed, and it will take about 30 seconds before it goes into its fixed armed state. Excuse me, what hiccups. Although you can adjust that in the user interface. And you'll see in front of us, right in the middle of my picture now, there's a piece of cardboard, and that's a microwave sensor that we fitted to this customer's car. That'll hide eventually underneath the top panel, underneath the trims and everything, and that can detect people moving close to the car. And we don't do the stand back from the vehicle type alarm, because I think that just annoys people and it makes it worse. But if somebody tries to climb into the car, or move near it, or tries to do anything with it, that will trigger the alarm and set the alarm off. So if I move a little bit closer, I don't know if you can see in this video, it's going green. It's seen me move. If I keep moving, it'll go green again. If I keep moving and make it really disturb it as though I was climbing in, that will go red and it'll set the alarm off. Quick question. So we had, you wouldn't have seen them, but we had the headlights flashing, the indicators flashing and the horn flashing. We've got a battery backup sounder on this car, although we've not got it connected at the moment, primarily because if you think the horn's loud, boy, that sounder will make your ears bleed. So we've not really decided exactly where we're mounting it, but we have a plug down here that's provisioned, just over there, that's provisioned for it. So when the customer comes to visit, he can either decide where to fit it, or we can fit it when he thinks he's got a good place. I'm going to look at fitting it down here in the back, or it might even fit up front. The wiring and everything reaches and fit down behind, somewhere where nobody can get it. So that's the basic alarm system. What I'll do is I'll do another video in a short while, because otherwise they get quite long. And we have a tilt sensor in the BCU. We have a G sensor, and it can tell whether the car's being rocked or tilted, and you can adjust its sensitivity. So I'll do a little demonstration of that in a short while. Well, I hope you like that. If you do, please like. If you've got any questions, don't hesitate to give us a call or speak to us on WhatsApp or anything, and get back to us and we'll very happily talk about it. We'll speak again. Bye for now.